Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Talat Waheed. In previous video I told you about inner join and left join. So today's topic is right join. So let's talk about right join. It returns all the records of right table and matching records of left table. Okay, so let's see what is the syntax of it. So next syntax, select column name from table 1, right join table 2 on table 1 dot column name is equal to table 2 column name which is common column name in both tables. Okay, so just open your terminal and write this query. Okay, so this is my first table, select asterisk from student. Okay, so this is the first table. So let's see what is our second table, which is select asterisk from, let's suppose, student course. Okay, so this is my second table. Okay, and roll number, in both table roll number is a common column name. Okay, so just write here right join syntax. Okay, so just write it here, select table 1 and column name, so student dot name comma second table name and column name. So student course dot column name, which is, let's suppose, course ID. Okay, course ID from table 1. So just write it here from table 1, that is student. Okay, and write it here right join and second table name, which is student course. So just write it here student course. Okay, and write here on and write here first table and common column name. So just write it here student dot roll number is equal to second table name, which is student course. Okay, so I'm writing it here student course dot roll number, which is common column name between these two tables. Okay, so let's see what will be the output. So here showing name is coming from student table and course ID, which comes from student course. Okay, so here name is coming from student. Okay, so here is showing all the data of right table, that is course ID of the student course. Okay, so here is showing 1 2 2 3 1 4 5 4, which is course ID from student course. All the data is present here. So it's showing all the data of right table and there is no matching value of right table. That's why it's showing null at the left side. Okay, if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. So let's check it with another example. Okay, so this is our table, select asterisk from student. So this is our first table and select asterisk from student course, which is our second table. Okay, so we have to perform right join on these two tables. So common column name, which is roll number. Okay, so just write it here query. Okay, so just write select table 1 and column name table 1, which is student dot column name, let's suppose address, comma table 2, which is student course, and column name, which is, let's suppose, course ID. Okay, so just write it here course ID from table 1, which is student. Okay, and write right join table 2 student course. So I'm writing here student course on and write here table 1 dot common column name. Okay, so table 1 student dot roll number is equal to table 2, which is student course dot common column name, that is roll number. Okay, so student course dot roll number. So let's see what will be the output. So here is showing all the data of course ID, which comes from student course, which is the right table. Okay, and it's showing address from the student table. Okay, so it's showing all the data of right table and there is no matching value of right table data. That's why it's showing null at the left side. Okay, if you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. So this is the right join. If you have any query, then you can ask me in the comment section below. So next, so we can also use right outer join instead of right join. Both are the same. Okay, you can write right outer join or you can write right join. So this is my channel, Talat Waheed. I have added shorts and I have added MySQL playlist. Okay, and I have added Python for beginners playlist and MySQL in Hindi also and advanced MySQL. Okay, so please go check out and please like, share and subscribe to my channel.